Hey guys, it's me, Dena from Cook with Dena. Join me as I make a green lentil soup using the Instant Pot. I'll be using the Ziyad brand lentils. Lentils are a really great source of protein and fiber. They're very filling and cook so fast. So let's get started. First, we're gonna take our chopped vegetables. We've got onions, carrots, and tomatoes, and some garlic, some red pepper paste and tomato paste, some spices and olive oil, and of course, our Instant Pot. Now we're gonna turn the Instant Pot onto the sauté. And while it's heating up, I'm gonna wash and soak my lentils. And as you can see, I have them in a strainer just so it's easier to drain out once it's ready. To the Instant Pot, we're gonna add some extra virgin olive oil. And in this order, we'll be adding in our vegetables, the onions, and then the carrots. Once they start to cook, we'll add in our garlic and a little sprinkle of salt. And now we're ready to add in the diced Roma tomatoes. I love Roma tomatoes when it comes to soups or stews. I love the flavor they give. And 2 bay leaves. Now we're ready to season with a little bit more salt, just a pinch, and give it a good mix. And we're ready to add in our red pepper paste and our tomato paste. Now we're gonna add in our vegetable soup starter, that's the yellow powder, Italian seasoning, and white black pepper. Give it a good mix, and it should look like this at this point. The vegetables should look like they're softening up. Now we're ready to add in our soaked and washed green lentils. Just give it a good stir together, and then we're ready to add in our water. Now we're ready to add in our macaroni. I just like this shaped ones, and so that's what I added to my soup. You can choose any shape you like. Just give it a good stir, and then we're ready to cover and close the venting on the lid of the Instant Pot. We're gonna turn it onto the soup button and turn it up to 15 minutes. No need for warming after. You just instant release once it's done. This soup is so easy to put together, and it's so hearty and filling. I really hope you guys try this recipe. It's really, really delicious. So once it's finished, you instant release, and this is what it should look like, nice and thick and hearty. Now let's top our bowls with a little bit of parsley and some fresh shredded Romano cheese. Serve it with some bread or breadsticks, whatever you like, and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe as much as we did. It was super delicious and so full of flavor. And thank you so much for watching. Alf صحة وعافية.
Baby, 지금 우린 함께 할 수 있을까?